it sounds like that companies that used to sell hardware and make money that way are moving increasingly to business models which sell integrated systems, subsystems, which are designed with AI at the edge, which allows you to deploy smaller maybe AI models, which take data from Internet of Things kind of devices and allow you to do things that you couldn't do before.
Absolutely. I usually use an 8th grade earth science model to describe this. In the center, you have the core, and that's the large scale, scale out massive AI systems. In between, you have the mantle, and you could think of this as industrial AI or AI for automotive, where you have enough compute power there. It's not a supercomputer, but enough compute power to do some really viable AI. And then at the edge, where you have sensors, where you have phones, you have not as much compute power, usually small form factor, but you can indeed do some intelligence there. You can do some basic language work. You can do some basic prediction work there. And if nothing else, you can do some basic data analysis to decide the bottleneck in most modern machines isn't the computing, it's actually the memory. So what do you actually transmit? What do you actually store? And it's not that one of these will be dominant over the other in the end, although the core certainly dominates now, is that what we need and what we will achieve is a world where this artificial intelligence will have the right intelligence at the right place at the right time. And that's when we'll really be starting to extract full value from these complex systems.
I really like this mental model of Mantle versus kind of the edge intelligence, and that at the end of the day, we will have to have intelligence throughout those layers, and that not every query has to go to ChatGPT or OpenAI or whatever it is, right? Some of the compute you can do just at the edge, and your thermostat doesn't need to talk to ChatGPT and constantly pump data back and forth into the cloud.